Okay, and finally, we're going to talk about dividing mixed numbers. Okay, it's going to be very similar to what we've already done. The only difference is that we have to change our mixed numbers into fractions before we can divide. Okay, so in this case, step one is to change both of my mixed numbers into fractions. Okay, so we do this little circle where we multiply the denominator times the numerator, the denominator times the whole number and add it to the numerator. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So we get 3 over 2 because we keep the denominator the same. Notice how I wrote the division symbol because we are not yet flipping over our fraction. We're not taking the reciprocal yet. We are simply changing them into fraction form. So 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7, 7/3. Now we can take that reciprocal. So we keep the 3 over 2 the same. We change from division to multiplication, and we flip the divisor. We take the reciprocal of the divisor. So 7/3 goes to 3 over 7. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 7 is 14. And if we think about this problem, 9 and 14 don't share any common factors. So this is actually our simplest form for this one. So for dividing mixed numbers, the very first step is to change these mixed numbers into fraction form. And then we keep the dividend the same, change from division to multiplication, and take the reciprocal of the divisor and multiply.